Western Red Cedar, known botanically as Thuja plicata, is a member of the Cupressaceae family. This evergreen tree is native to the Pacific Northwest of North America and is highly valued for its medicinal, cultural, and ecological contributions. The towering Western Red Cedar is not only an iconic tree of temperate rainforests, but also a potent herbal ally with a wide array of therapeutic applications. Western Red Cedar can be identified by its scale-like aromatic leaves, which are arranged in flat, fan-like sprays. The bark is reddish-brown, fibrous, and peels off in long strips. It can grow to incredible heights, often exceeding 200 feet, with a trunk diameter of up to 20 feet. The tree thrives in moist environments and is commonly found in coastal regions and along streams and rivers. It prefers rich, well-drained soils and is most abundant in temperate rainforests stretching from northern California to Alaska, as well as parts of inland British Columbia. Thuja is typically harvested for medicinal purposes in late spring or early summer, when the essential oils in its foliage are at their peak. The leaves and small branches are the primary parts used in herbal preparations. Careful and sustainable harvesting is essential, as Thuja is a slow-growing tree that plays a critical role in its ecosystem. In terms of energetics, Thuja is considered warming and drying, making it a stimulant for circulation and metabolism. Its warming nature helps dispel cold and damp conditions in the body, while its drying properties are particularly beneficial for addressing issues of excess moisture, such as fungal infections or respiratory congestion. The plant is also classified as a stimulant, which supports its action as a catalyst for various physiological processes. Thuja possesses numerous herbal actions that make it a versatile remedy. It is a powerful antiseptic and antibacterial agent, making it effective for combating pathogens. Its carminative properties help ease digestive discomfort, while its circulatory stimulant action supports healthy blood flow. As a stimulant expectorant, Thuja assists in clearing mucus from the respiratory tract, making it useful for respiratory infections. It is also a rubefacient, meaning it promotes circulation when applied topically, which can aid in relieving pain and swelling. Additionally, Thuja is known for its inflammation-modulating effects, which help calm irritated tissues and reduce systemic inflammation. The medicinal parts of Thuja include its leaves and small twigs, which are rich in essential oils, tannins, and other active compounds. These parts are used to address a variety of conditions, particularly those affecting the skin. Thuja is effective in treating skin issues such as boils, ringworm, fungal infections, sores, and warts. Its antifungal and antiviral properties make it a go-to remedy for conditions like foot fungus, yeast infections, and viral infections on the skin. Thuja is also used for treating dandruff and other scalp conditions. It has immune-stimulating properties, making it a valuable ally during respiratory infections such as colds and bronchitis. Its ability to modulate inflammation also makes it useful for addressing pain, swelling, and other inflammatory conditions. Despite its many benefits, Thuja must be used with caution due to its potency. Its strength necessitates moderation, as excessive use can lead to adverse effects. Thuja has been known to stimulate uterine contractions, so it should be avoided during pregnancy. It may also cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals, particularly when used topically. Due to its strong action on the kidneys, it should not be used by those with pre-existing kidney conditions. Herbalists generally recommend using Thuja in low doses and for short periods to minimize potential risks, while maximizing its therapeutic benefits. Thuja plicata, or Western Red Cedar, is a remarkable medicinal tree with a wide range of applications. Its antiseptic, antibacterial, and immune-stimulating properties make it a powerful tool for addressing infections, skin issues, and inflammatory conditions. However, its potency demands respect and careful use to ensure safety. With proper application and sustainable harvesting practices, Thuja remains a valuable resource for both traditional and modern herbal medicine.